If you ask people which brand produces the most expensive consumer products, Apple would be the answer in most of the cases. Well, it's true. From iPhones to Mac Pro, Apple is known to produce some very expensive hardware. Remember Apple Pro stand that costs a whopping $1,000? Now, the company has launched something similar, and as you might have guessed, it's not affordable. According to Apple's official website, which is now selling the wheels and feet for its Mac Pro separately, the Mac Pro wheels kit costs $700, while the Mac Pro feet kit costs $300. With the given price tag, one may think that these kits are something special, but these wheels and feet are simply made from stainless steel. The website quotes, "Put your Mac Pro on wheels with the Mac Pro Wheels Kit. The custom designed stainless steel and rubber wheels make it easy to move your Mac Pro around, whether sliding it out from under your desk or across your studio." Apple is a luxury good and the company wants to keep the status as such. The situation is explained in economics as Veblen good. Now, what is a Veblen good? A Veblen good is a good where demand rises as price rises because people feel its higher price reflects greater status. But why might people buy more as price increases? Well, in the case of a Veblen good, it is because people think more expensive goods are better quality and so some people may buy more. Studies suggest people do get more satisfaction from receiving expensive goods. It is possible that designer clothes or luxury cars may sometimes meet the criteria of Veblen goods. This is often termed the snob effect. People equate price to quantity. So that's pretty much about why the wheels cost so much. If this video found to be helpful, don't forget to like and share the video, subscribe and support for more such videos. Thank you.